Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheet for sustainable products. So I have a business for sustainable products, and for promoting my business I have created a Facebook page, and to promote my business I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. So through that ad campaign I'm getting a lot of leads. Now I want to manage these leads, so I automatically want to add these lead details in my Google Sheet. So for that what I have to do is I have to build a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can add Facebook leads to Google Sheet for sustainable products. So I have a business of sustainable products, and in my business we sell eco-friendly products and environment-friendly products. So to promote my business, I have created a Facebook page, and I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. But the real problem is in managing these leads. So I have created a database in my Google Sheet where I want to add all my Facebook lead details, but I want this to happen automatically so that I can save my time and energy. So for doing this automatically, what I have to do is I have to use Pabbly Connect, and by using Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet. So here, whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead for my sustainable product business from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to add those lead details in my Google Sheet. So for using Pabbly Connect, I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time, and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have the workflow section, and here we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this create workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for sustainable products. Now I have to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and in this I will find all the folders that I've created in my Pabbly Connect account, and I'm going to use this particular folder of Facebook lead ads, so I'm going to select this, and I'm going to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I have to select Facebook lead ads here, and now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instance will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. Now I have to click on continue to give access to my account. And here my connection is successful. Now I have two tabs, page and lead gen form. So first I have to select the page that I want to use. Now here for selecting my page, what I have to do is I have to go to my Facebook account. And in this is my sustainable product page, which is named as Green Horizons Sustainable Goods. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And for selecting the page, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So here I have to select my page, which is Green Horizon. So this is my page, which is Green Horizons Sustainable Goods. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to select my lead generation form. So here you can select any particular lead generation form, or if you want to use all the lead generation form to manage the leads, you can use that too. So for selecting a lead generation form, you have to open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the forms that you have created for your Facebook page. And here I'm going to use all lead generation forms. So I'm going to select this, and here I have this important note which says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here what I have to do is I have to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And now it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, I have to create a sample submission. And for creating sample submission, I'm going to use Metaphor Developer. And by using Metaphor Developer, I'm going to create a sample submission by creating a new lead. So for this, I have to take you to Metaphor Developer. And here I have this option of more. So I'm going to open this. And here I'm going to open tools. And in tools, I have to find this tool of lead ads RTU debug. So we are going to use this. So I'm going to open this. And here we have these two tabs, page and form. So again, I'm going to select my page. So I have to open this tab. And this is my page, which is named as Green Horizons Sustainable Goods. So I'm going to select this. And in this, my form is selected. Now what I need to do is I need to click on preview form button. And I'm going to fill dummy details in my form to create a new lead. So I'm going to click here. So this is my form. And in this, I have these three tabs, full name, phone number, and email. So I'm going to fill the details of my lead here. And I'm going to fill dummy details. So my full name is going to be demo user. Now here I have to give a phone number. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to give a random mobile number of my lead. So I'm going to give that. So this is going to be my phone number. Now I have to give an email. So my email will be demouser@pablitudes.com and I have to click on next. I'm going to click on submit. And here I have submitted my form and I have created a new lead. Now what I have to do is I have to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see I have received this response. So in this, I have the full name of my lead, which is demo user. I have this phone number and I have the email address, which is demouser@pablitudes.com. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details of my lead and I'm going to manage these leads. So I have to add these lead details automatically in my database, which I have created in my Google Sheet. So for that, I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here my action application is going to be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select Google Sheets here. And now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and add new row will be my action event. So I'm going to connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection and I will sign in with Google. Now I have to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And here my connection is successful. Now what I need to do is I need to first select the spreadsheet that I'm going to use. So I have to take you to my Google Sheet. And in this, I'm going to use this spreadsheet of Facebook leads. And in this spreadsheet, we have three columns, full name, phone number, and email. So I'm going to map this in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And first, for selecting the spreadsheet, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the spreadsheets that are connected with your Google Sheet account. So I'm going to use this spreadsheet of Facebook leads. And here we can see that all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. Now I have these three columns in my spreadsheet, which is full name, phone number, and email. So in these columns, I have to add the details of the lead that I'm getting from my Facebook lead account for my sustainable product business. So I have received all these details from my Facebook lead ad response. So I'm going to add those details and I'm going to map those details here. So for that, I have to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I have to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads. And here this is the full name of my lead, which is demo user. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the phone number. And in the last, I have to map the email. So I have to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads. And this is my email address, which is demouser@pablitudes.com. So I'm going to map this. So I have filled all the required details. Now I have to click on save and send test request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and this means that I have added all these details of my Facebook lead that I've received from Facebook lead ads for my sustainable product business. Now to check this, I'm going to go back to my Google Sheet. And here we can see I have added this new row in my Google Sheet. So the full name is demo user. I have this random phone number and I have the email address, which is demouser@pablitudes.com. So these are the details that I have used to create a new lead in my Facebook lead ad account for my sustainable product business. So here we can see that automatically I have added all these details of my Facebook lead in my Google Sheet. So my connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully. So whenever I'm going to receive a new Facebook lead for my sustainable product business in Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to add those lead details in my Google Sheet. Now to check this in real time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Metaphor Developer. I'm going to close this. I'm going to delete this lead. And again, I'm going to preview this form. So this is my form and I'm going to fill these details one more time. So my full name will be test user. Now I have to give a random phone number. So my phone number will be this. And I'm going to give an email address. So my email will be testuser@pablitudes.com and I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have submitted this form and I've created this new lead. Now what should happen is that automatically these lead details will be added in my Google Sheet. So to check this, I have to take you to my Google Sheet. And here we can see I have added this new row in my Google Sheet. So the full name is test user, phone number is this, and I have this email address which is testuser@pablitudes.com. So these were the details that I've just used to create a new lead in my Facebook lead ad account for my sustainable product business. And I have used those details and I have automatically added those details in my Google Sheet. So here my connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have built this automation for Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet in such a way that whenever we are going to receive a new Facebook lead for our sustainable product business from Facebook lead ads, then automatically those lead details will be added in my Google Sheet. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow. And you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.